Look, this is like, I mean, we talked before, but just the synchronicity of timing, like, because even I'm just looking at, some of my girls who have done the same thing and thinking like they just had to do it and figure it out. So to have you, that's like not only do you know it, but you teach it because it's different to just pick a mentor's brain.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
different
yeah.
when somebody has actually taken the time to think about, oh,
Yeah.
here's my process and here's
Yes.
how it breaks down, like step by step. Like that's another level
That's
too. And the fact that you've got the actual like we're good, like you're walking away with like any other thing along these lines is more about the we're going to tell you what you need to do. Because like the other girl's mastermind, that was like 10,000. That was still gonna, I mean, she's got some similar stuff like in the little packet of stuff she gave, but it's really saying like, okay, you need a website, you need an email campaign. And she might say, like, here's some examples, but that's different than being like, no, we're gonna set you up with the website and stuff. Like you're really a mix between you're like a mentor, coach, kind of consultant. Because I mean, essentially, what some of my girls did was like they hired somebody to do their brand. So they hired the specific person who then designed the logo, outsource that. But that's also not teaching them, right? You just handed it off. You
correct.
paid your money. That's a transactional thing versus like we're gonna work together and set it up, and now you're gonna understand what went into that. So you're taking all of that and moving it yourself. So I think you actually have I think you have a better offer than like anybody out there, really. So